Hello, in this video, we are going to be solving a nice algebra problem. X to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 is equal to 12. Without further delay, let us begin. Solution. The question is s squared minus s cubed equal to 12. The very first thing we are going to do is to bring this 12 to the left side. So that will be x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 12 equal to 0. Let's continue. X squared minus s cubed. This minus 12, I can rewrite it as minus 8 minus 4 equal to 0. Let's continue. S squared minus s cubed minus, I can also rewrite this particular 8 as 2 to the power of 3 minus, I can also rewrite this 4 as 2 square equal to 0. Let's continue. This means that s square minus 2 square minus s cube minus 2 cube is equal to 0. Just a little rearrangement. Let's continue. This means that, let us put these guys in brackets. So that will be s square minus 2 square, close the brackets. From these two guys, the negative sign is common. I can factor it out. So that will be minus into s cube plus 2 cube equal to 0. Nothing has changed. At this stage, let us recall a very nice property. The first one is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. The second property that looks in form of this guy is a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Take note of these two properties. It is very important. Now, suppose I apply this first property on this guy. That means I have x plus 2 times x minus 2 minus, I can also apply the second property to this guy. Doing that, I have x plus 2 times s square minus 2x plus 4 equal to this 0. Let's continue. You will observe that x plus 2 is common. I can bring it out. So I have x plus 2 into x minus 2 minus s square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Let's continue. X plus 2 times, let me just drop these brackets. So that will be x minus 2 minus times s square, that is minus s square, minus times minus, we have plus 2x, minus times plus 4, that is negative 4. This equal to 0. Let's proceed further. So we have x plus 2 times, adding the common terms, x plus 2x, that is 3x, minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6, and minus s square. This equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that x plus 2 times minus s square plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. By just rearranging this, we have this. Let's continue. This means that x plus 2 is equal to 0, or minus x squared plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Wow. Clearly, from this line, x is equal to minus 2. This happens to be the first solution. X equals to minus 2. Now, let us quickly solve this quadratic equation. To make it easier, let's multiply by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1. Minus 1 times minus x squared, that is x squared. Minus 1 times 3x, that is minus 3x. Minus 1 times minus 6, that is plus 6, equal to minus 1 times 0, that is just 0. This equation, we can solve it using quadratic formula, which says x equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. From this equation, we know that our a is 1 and b is minus 3 and c is equal to 6. So let us just plug in these values into this equation and see what we have. X equal to minus b is minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square, that will be minus 3 all squared minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 6 over 2 into 1. So I have x equal to minus times minus 3, that is 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 all squared, that is minus 3 times minus 3, which is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 6, that is 24 over 2 times 1, that is simply 2. Let's continue. X is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 24, that is negative 15 over 2. Let's continue. X is now equal to 3 plus or minus. I can rewrite this guy as, square root of minus 15 as square root of 15 times square root of negative 1 over 2. X is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 15. Don't forget, from the complex number, this square root of minus 1 is equal to I. So that means we have I here over 2. That is, x is equal to 3 plus or minus, let's bring this I here, so that will be I times square root of 15 divided by 2. This is another solution entirely, and it is a complex solution. The first solution that we obtained is a real solution. Therefore, the three main solutions are, the first solution is x equal to minus 2. We can call it x1. And the second solution, we can easily obtain it from this guy by just considering the positive sign. So that will be x2 equal to 3 plus I times square root of 15 over 2. Now, considering the negative sign, this, our s3 is simply 3 minus I times square root of 15 over 2. These are the three solutions that we have for this nice algebra problem, but it is very good to verify at least one of the solution. Let's verify the first one. X equals to minus 2. Verify. The question is x squared minus x3 equal to 12 when x is equal to minus 2. We just plug it here. So that will be minus 2 all squared minus into minus 2 raised to 3 equal to 12. Minus 2 all squared is simply 4 minus minus 2 all cube is minus 8. This equal to 12. This means that 4 minus minus 8, that is plus 8, equal to 12. So I have 4 plus 8, that is 12, equal to 12. This shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thus, indeed, the first solution is correct. X1 is correct. Likewise, the other solutions. That's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please share your tips. Please tell me if this video was helpful and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my other videos as well. Have a good one.